Good morning students. In previous class we discussed about the profit maximization. So under that there is mainly three conditions are there. First is the P must equal to the marginal cost MC anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next second condition is the marginal cost must be not decreasing at Q naught. Okay. So today class we discuss about the third condition, price must be greater than or equal to the ABC. So third condition ಏನು ನಮ್ದು P ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು must be greater than ABC. So average variable cost ಗೆ greater than ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು or equal to the ABC. Okay. So here condition third, consider the third condition that must hold the profit maximizing output level is positive. So in profit maximizing ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು output positive ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Next notice that the third condition has two parts. So in third condition ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, two parts ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. First is the P greater than or equal to the ABC, and in the long run P is greater than or equal to AC average cost ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So short run ಮತ್ತೆ long run ಅಂತ two parts ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So let us discuss about the first short run. Short run ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮದು price must equal to or greater than the average variable cost. Okay. We will show that the statement of case 1 true by arguing that a profit maximizing firm in the short run will not produce an output level wherein the market price is lower than the ABC. So alli enagitte andre price if in the case less than the ABC, average variable cost in the price decrease ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಎವರೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ short run when P is equal to or greater than the ABC curve. On the vertical axis y axis, here it is the price or cost is, and in the x axis output anna show ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so here it is P is the price line, it is constant, and this curve is the SMC, short run marginal cost, and this curve is the ABC, so average variable cost, and this is the short run average cost. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ focusing on average variable cost under the short run. So when the quantity is Q1, so quantity ಏನೈತಿ Q1 ಐತಿ, and when the quantity is Q1 price is P, and A is the amount ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So here ABC curve ಏನೈತಿ ನಮ್ದು above price line ಐತಿ. So here it is the price line. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು price line ಐತಿ. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ABC curve ಐತಿ. Here it is the ABC curve. So it is greater than the ABC. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ price ಏನಾಗೈತಿ greater than the ABC curve. So price is greater than the ABC curve. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಏನ್ರಿ profit maximizing ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, firm whether it choose to exit from the market. And here let us like lower than the Q1. So if price is lower than the Q1, so price is lower than the Q1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ದು, when price is P and Q is the quantity, so here ABC curve, ABC average variable cost greater than the price line. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OPAQ1 it is the price, and PEBA is average variable cost. See here TR is equals to P into Q, TR is equals to P into Q ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So vertical height OP, so price line ಎಷ್ಟು OP price ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, OP is the vertical height. Next width, so ನಮ್ಮ quantity ಬೇಕ್ರಿ OQ1 is the quantity, OQ1 is the quantity, means here ನಮ್ದು total revenue curve ಏನೈತಿ OPAQ1 is the total revenue rectangular. So next here price is equals to ABC ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ದು condition, or it is greater than the ABC. So the figure is used to demonstrate that a firm or profit maximizing firm produces zero output in the short run when the market price P. So when condition ಏನೈತ್ರಿ P must be equal to the ABC or greater than the ABC. But here condition is not applying in this diagram. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ firm whether choose to exit from the market. So TR rectangular in ನಮಗೆ OPAQ1 is the total revenue rectangle. So total cost maybe PEBA is the total cost and it is the total revenue rectangle. So here OPAQ1 ಕಿಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ total cost increasing ಐತಿ. Means here total revenue is decreasing or total cost is greater than the total revenue. So ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ profit maximizing is not possible here in this condition. So in the short run P is equals to ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ದು ABC ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು or P is greater than ABC. So here this condition is not applying in this diagram. So here TR is less than the TC or TC is greater than the TR. So ABC is ABC. So ABC ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ದು ಏನೈತಿ greater than the P. So P decreasing ಐತಿ, ABC increasing ಐತಿ. So here this condition is not applying. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ firm whether it choose exit from the market. So case 2 under third condition, first condition is the P greater than ABC or P is equal to the ABC. So here it is case 2 then with OPAQ1 and the EPBA. So identi illi antandra average variable cost is greater than price under condition 2. Case 2 condition 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ case 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ short run applicable ಆಗಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫರ್ಮ್ choose the exit from the market. So under the third condition it is the second case. So long run ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು price must be greater than or equal to AC. price ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು whether it equal to AC or price greater than average cost. So short run ಅಲ್ಲಿ average variable cost ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. In the case of long run here average cost must equal to the AC or greater than the P. So next this is the diagram show about the case 2 long run P must equal to the AC or P is greater than AC. On the vertical axis Y, so Y ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ price ಮತ್ತು cost ಅನ್ನು show ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ and x axis output ಅನ್ನು show ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so here it is Q1 is the output when Q1 output P is the price and this curve is the LRMC long run marginal cost and this curve is the LRAC means long run average cost. See here it is the price line, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ price line ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So price line is the horizontal price line. Why? Because we call it as it is a P is the constant. See average cost ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ P ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So this curve is the LRAC long run average cost. So price ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ ನಮ್ದು P ಇಲ್ಲೈತಿ but average cost ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೈತಿ. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ price ಏನೈತಿ decreasing ಆಯ್ತು. So LRAC curve AC ಏನೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ increasing ಒಳಗೆ but our condition is P is equals to AC ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ P is greater than average cost. But here P is greater than, okay, so P is decreasing means AC is the increasing than the P. So you know it is the LRAC curve and it is the P. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು P ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ actually ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ but LRAC ಐತಿ. So in this diagram here it is this condition is not applying ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So P ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು must equal to AC ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ greater than AC ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So next it is the total revenue ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so this is OPAQ1, it is the total revenue and here it is the total cost. So ನಮ್ದು ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ TR less than the TC. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು LRAC cost ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು greater than the P ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ greater ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು but equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. but in this diagram LRAC long run average cost is greater than the P. So here this condition is not applying case 2. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ firm whether it choose to the exit from the market. So today class we discuss about the profit maximization condition 3, and then there is the two cases are there. First is the short run and second is the long run. So short run alli enagirbekri P equal to the ABC or P is greater than the ABC. So in this condition or in this case which is ABC is greater than the P, so alli enagalli case apply agala. So in the case of case to long run, here it is a P greater than or equal to AC. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಿದೆ LRBC curve is greater than the P. In this condition also, so case is not applicable. So whether the firm is choose to exit from the market. In the next class we will discuss about the profit maximization under the graphical representation.